Okay, so here's how to make a network cable. If you need to run one in your house, it's a lot cheaper to buy just the cable and then put tips on yourself. You need a crimper. This tool will crimp this onto the cable when you're done. So I'll just show you real quickly how to do this. It's not hard. You can use an X-Acto knife, but I have this because I do a lot of cabling. And we're going to give ourselves like 1.5 inches, 2 inches. And with this tool you just spin it. You can see it breaks the plastic sheathing on it and just twist it off. There's this cable here, this little string, it's a nylon string, and it's just to give the actual cable more strength. So the first thing I do is snip that off, get it out of the way. Then you have 8 strands, all different colors. The order on both sides of the cable doesn't technically matter as long as they're both the same, but we go to follow standard, we go stripe orange, orange, and I always just take my fingers and run them up. It straightens the cable and keeps them by themselves. So striped orange, orange. Then we get stripe green, blue. So we'll get the stripe green out. And again, I'm just going to push it up into these cables and just run up with my thumb. Okay, so that I'm just trying to make them naturally stick to each other. Just makes it easier to manage. Okay, so we got striped orange, orange, striped green. Now we need blue. So we're going to move these guys out of the way. Unravel blue. Okay, so striped orange, orange, striped green, blue. And to remember them, just keep repeating it to yourself as you make it. I used to have to just use a reference chart, but now I've done so many I just remember them. So striped orange, orange, striped green, blue, striped blue, green. So we're going to put the striped blue in. You'll see I pinch it with these 2 left fingers, and then bend it into the line and just straighten up with it with my thumb, and just kind of gives them that, puts them together. So striped orange, orange, striped green, blue, striped blue, green. Same process for each one. And then striped brown, brown. So we go striped brown, and then brown. So just before we finish, we go over it again, just to make sure they're in the right order. It's just easier when they're longer to get them in the order. It doesn't matter. Striped orange, orange, striped green, blue, striped blue, green, striped brown, brown. Now I usually pinch it with my thumb, the top part of my thumb, which gives about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. And then I'm going to snip off straight across the top. Going to give them a little bit of a fray, and you can see what I've got there. So then with the clip facing away from me, I slide the cable in. They all go into their little spots. I give it a little push up, and then I look at the top and the reflection in the light, and I make sure I can see the copper at the top of the tip. And when I can see the copper, the ends of the wires at the top of here, it's ready to crimp. So I just grab my crimping tool, put it into the slot, push it in nice and sturdy, crimp it down nice and tight. I push it out just a little bit, give it another little crimp, and you got yourself a cable. You do the other end exactly the same way. The benefit to this is you can run the cable by drilling a hole just the diameter of the actual cable.